How to change incoming call screen on Android. If you want to change the incoming call screen on your Android, then what you need to do is first open up your Play Store application, go with the search, and you need to install an application which is Truecaller. So search for Truecaller and make sure to install the application. Once you install the application, now you just need to simply tap on open, and once you open, now in my case I've already logged in, right? But if you're new to the Truecaller, then you can simply go and log into your account. Like if you don't have an account, then you can go and create an account. Once you've created your account, you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and go with settings option. Under settings, you will have the general settings. Tap on general, and from here you can simply change the ringtone, the message sound, and chat message, SMS message, and vibrate, and you will have the appearance like the dark mode or bright mode, and you will have the data and storage, you will have the backup, you can simply change the language, and you will also have the shortcuts. You can simply add a contact shortcut to your home, or you can go back and go with the calls option. Under calls here, you will get after call details. The after call screen offers a call summary and offers quick actions like blocking and messaging, and you will also get the information of how much time you've talked with that person, and you can also hide those phone book contacts if you want to. And this is the video caller ID. You will also have the video caller ID. You can set up your video caller ID by toggling on and go with create new, which is on the bottom, and you can create your video caller ID. And you can also set up a call reason, and you will have the call history. You can also go with the messages, and here also you will have the password lock. If you want to set a password to your messages, you can set your password. And you can also go with your profile, and you can manage your profile, like you can simply add any profile photo, or you can upgrade to premium, and you will have the last 30 days details, like how many spam calls Truecaller has identified, and how much time it has saved from spammers, and how many messages it has removed to spam, and unknown callers, unknown numbers. Like if some unknown number called you, then Truecaller will automatically search that person's number, and you will have a detail of that person's number. So in this way, you'll be able to change the incoming call screen on Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.